Check. Y'all ready for some blues? Gypsy woman told my mother before I was born. She said, you got some man's child a coming. He gonna be a son of a gun. Gonna make all them pretty women's jump and shout. And the world's gonna know just what this is all about. Well, I'm here, baby. Woo. Everybody knows I'm here. Can I get a little bit more of me in the monitor? Yeah, I'm just that hoochie coochie man, baby. And the whole wide world knows I'm here. I got a black cat bone, I got that old mojo too. I got John the Conqueror. I'm gonna mess with you. Gonna have all them pretty women's rich at my command. And the world's gonna know I'm that a hoochie man. Well, I'm here, baby. Everybody knows I'm here. Yeah, I'm just that a hoochie coochie man, baby. And the whole wide world knows I'm here. So what I mean, Joe, come on, man. that 7th hour. You know, Miss Bree, she said that he was born for good luck, and that you're just about to see. You know, I got about $700, people, so don't mess with me, 'cause I'm here, baby. Everybody knows I'm here. Woo. Yeah, I'm that hoochie coochie man, baby. And the whole wide world knows I'm here. Lord have mercy. Everybody with us? Blues time. How about a little bit of funk? Just want a funky mood. It's called Boogie Man. If you want to dance, we made room for you to shake in your seat. Funky reputation, cause I like to get low down. All you loving mothers better lock up your daughters, cause the boogie man's in town. Call me the boogie man. Can't nobody boogie like I can. They call me the boogie man. King size boogie man. Got my number, cause he locked me up last fall. I taught the daughter how to do the boogie, now I can't go back at all. Call me the boogie man. Can't nobody boogie like I can. They call me the boogie man. Right, Bree? King size boogie man. Come on, Joe. Traveling band down by the county line. Well, I was down there to do some boogieing, and I wound up doing time. Call me the boogie man. Can't nobody boogie like I can. They call me the boogie man. I'm the king side boogie man. I'll play my horn for you for a minute. Come on. Listen, I've got a sweet little angel people. Send this out to my wife, y'all. And I love the way she spreads her wings. I've got a sweet little angel people. And I love the way she spreads her wings. That's what BB said. When she spreads her wings around me, joy in everything. You know, I asked my baby for a nickel. Some of y'all know this. You got women like this. She gave me a whole $20 bill. Earl knows that, right, Bree? Ask my baby for a nickel, people. She gave me a whole $20 bill. I asked my baby for a drink of liquor. Here's how we do. Bree too. These ladies gave us a whole whiskey stick. Show what I mean, Joe. Come on, man. Joe poppin', y'all. Earl Ivy on drums. Charles Reds Atkins on bass, y'all. Thank you so much, much appreciated. got my mojo working, but it just don't work on you. I've got my mojo working, baby, but it just don't work on you. I want to love you so bad, I don't know what to do. Listen, I'm going down Louisiana and get myself a mojo hand. I'm going down Louisiana and get myself a mojo hand. I'm gonna have all them women rich at my command. I've got that mojo working. I've got that mojo working, baby. I've got that mojo working. I've got that mojo working. I've got that mojo working, but it just don't work on you. Come on, Joe. But it just don't work on you. I've got my mojo working, people, but it just don't work on you. I want to love you so bad, I just don't know what to do. I'm going down Louisiana and get myself a mojo hand. Going down Louisiana and get myself a mojo hand. I'm gonna have all them women's rats at my command. I got that mojo working. Got that mojo working, baby. Got that mojo working. Got that mojo working. Got that mojo working, but it just don't work on you. Big boss man, can't you hear me when I call? Big boss man, can't you hear me when I call? Well, you ain't so big. I'm gonna find me another boss man, one that'll treat me right. Let a brother get a drink of water and rest easy at night. Big boss man, can't you hear me when I call? Well, you ain't so big. You just talk. That's all. Come on, Joe. Can't you hear me when I call? Big boss man, can't you hear me when I call? Well, you ain't so big, you just tall, that's all. I'm gonna find me another boss man, one that'll treat me right. Let me get a drink of water and rest easy at night. Big boss, can't you hear me when I call? Well, you ain't so big, you just tall, that's all. Thank you. Go to Every Day at the Blues, y'all. The blues. Every, I have the blues. When you see me worried, you I hate to lose. Nobody loves me. Nobody seems to care. Nobody loves me, baby. Nobody seems to care. You know that hard luck and trouble, baby. You know I've had my share. Apartment, y'all. Every day, baby, every day I have the blues. Every day, baby, every day I have the blues. When you see me worried, it's you I hate to lose. Listen. Nobody loves me. Nobody seems to care. Nobody loves me, baby. Nobody seems to care. You know that hard luck and trouble, baby. You know I've had my share. Come on. Every day, each and every day. Every day, people. Every day, baby, you know I had the blues. black cat bow. Said, I believe, pretty baby, my baby's got a black cat bone. Seems like everything I do, everything I say is just going on wrong. Well, I try so hard just to get along with that girl of mine. I tried so hard, baby, to get along with that girl of mine. But no matter how hard I try, like making an empty gold mine. Listen, I went down to California by the way of Wichita Falls. Think about that, a big lake girl, y'all, and there wasn't no walking on. I believe my baby's got a black cat bone. Seems like everything I do, everything I say is going on wrong. Come on, Joe. We'll give some folk a little taste here. Thank you so much. We're going to do Messing with the Kid. What's this about I hear going on around town? People tell me you're trying to put the kid down. Hey, baby, look at what you did. I don't know what you call it, people. I call it messing with the kid don't play, the kid don't jive. Say what I mean, and I mean what I say. Hey, baby, look at what you did. I don't know what you call it, people. I call it messing with the... Come on, Joe. Look at what you did. I don't know what you call it, people. I call it messing with the... Everybody all right out there? Listen, I said you've been talking about your woman. I wish to God that you could see mine. I said you've been talking about your woman, people. I wish to God that you could see mine. When it come to loving, bring eyesight to the blind. Her daddy must have been a millionaire. I can tell by the way she walks. Her daddy must have been a millionaire, people. I can tell by the way she talks. When it come to loving, you make the deaf and dumb talk. Come on, Joe. You've been talking about your woman. I wish to God that you could see mine. Said you've been talking about your woman, people. I wish to God that you could see mine. When it comes to loving, bring eyesight to the blind. The daddy must have been a millionaire. By the way she walks, her daddy must have been a millionaire, people. I can tell by the way she walks. When it comes to loving, make her deaf and dumb talk. Come on. Fuck you, I've been watching Anthony Swamp Dog Clark and the Blues Crew. Appreciate you coming out, especially that hard rain. Lord have mercy. Those were really washed away out here. On guitar, we got Mr. Joe Poppin, y'all. Can we get up a round of applause for Joe? On bass, Mr. Mr. Charles Atkins, y'all. On drums. Mr. Dapper Dan himself, my man, Earl Ivy. And again, I'm Anthony Swamp Dog Clark. If you want to see where we're at in the future, go out to AnthonySwampDogClark.com. Got merchandise out there for you. Coffee, mugs, t-shirts, CDs. Help me out, go out there and get some. Again, thank you so much for coming. Truly appreciate being here. Thank you, much appreciated. Thank you very much.